This is a platform that makes you money online anywhere, wherever you are without investment. And this platform is available on Google Play Store and also available on the App Store. That means if you are using Android, you get it on the Google Play Store, and if you are using iOS, you can get it on the App Store. As you can see, they have a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot with almost 36,416 reviews. As you can see, they are trusted by Meta, that's Facebook, they are trusted by TikTok, they are trusted by Unity, Digital Turbine, and a rest of other trusted brands in the world. This is a platform that helps you turn your time into profit. As you can see here, it's a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet. Wherever you are, you get paid for your time and engagement. If this is the first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejikwa. My YouTube channel will talk about how to make money online in Nigeria as a total beginner in 2024. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps in which you can use to earn money wherever you are. If you know you love videos like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that I can also grow. So today I'm going to show you top 3 platforms in which can give you money wherever you are. Top 3 legit app platform that gives you money. The first one on the list is known as Paid Worker. As you can see here, with a URL of pawns.app. You can go to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Fire Explorer, Internet Explorer, and the rest, and you will be able to get this platform. Just dialing this keyword known as paid work, and this interface will enter, and you can get more about this platform. Or you can directly go to Google Play Store and download the app, or the App Store, and you'll be able to download the app. So as you can see here on this platform, it shows you how you can be able to make money anywhere you are just by logging into this platform. You click on register on paid work, and you'll be able to start making money. You can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and the rest. That is to show you how legit this platform is. So as you can see here, it's a platform that helps you collect profits by completing simple tasks. In just a month, you can earn up to $700. What are these tasks? These tasks are simply listening to music, playing games, doing what you love. Even charging your phone can get you paid on this platform. So this is the first platform that is known as pageworker.com. So you can go and check them out, and you can start making from this first platform. So let's head on to the second platform. This is a second platform that gets you paid to answer surveys anytime, anywhere. It says you share your opinions by completing online surveys to earn extra cash, from simple question pools to 30-minute market research questionnaires. So you can just come on this platform known as Swagbucks. So you can go to your browser and dial this keyword known as swagbucks.com, and you can just sign up on this platform. You make surveys by telling them your opinion, and you get personalized ads that will be able to fit you. As you can see here, how it works. So after signing up, you tell them about yourself to get personalized offer. You can redeem your gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or you can also get cash directly from PayPal. So when you click on this platform, swagbucks.com, you can see you can click on join for free, because it's always free. So you can either sign up with your Google account, with your Apple account, or with your email, and you can start making money. It says cashback shopping online and in store. It says Swagbucks is one of the most extensive shopping reward program on the internet. You can also get cashback whenever you go for shopping on this platform. You can also turn your entertainment into money, because you can get paid from playing games also on this platform. As you can see, these are a lot of testimonials that I've gotten from this platform, with a 4.0 star rating over 5 star rating on Trustpilot, with a 37,381 reviews. That is to tell that this platform is highly legit. As you can see, they have paid up to $605 billion, $692,743 million to people all over the globe. As you can see, they have 7,000 gift cards that have been redeemed, and $1,500 have been given out in cashback. So this platform is very, very legit. As you can see how many people have been recommending them. Business Insider, ABC News, and a lot of popular brands all over the world. You can see the popular merchants of Bitcoin, of gift cards, as you can see, have Amazon, Best Buy, and the rest of them. Make sure you click on the red subscribe button, because I'm about to show you the last platform. And this last platform is a personalized platform which you can use to earn money through surveys, which you can use to earn money whenever you play games and whenever you do anything you love online. Even by charging your phone, like I said, this platform can get you paid. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button as we move on to the last platform on the list. Last platform on the list is known as Taxbox. And why should you love Taxbox? Now, Taxbox is a platform that pays you money if you are someone that is passionate about testing new products. Taxbox will spend time on smartphones, more rewarding. You try new product or engage with existing one, and you will get paid. And you get paid through pay ATM cash, or you can also get paid through mobile recharge packs. As you can see, these are the associated people that are associated with them. We have the Paytm, we have the Singular, we have the Jara, we have the Apps Flyer, and the rest. So you can see they have a lot of careers, and they can also employ you in this platform. As you can see, it says position open in product management, technology, Android, iOS, PHP, and the rest. So if you are qualified, you can also come on this platform. If you're a programmer, you can also come on this platform and you apply for a job known as taxbox.com, and you'll be able to make money online just by coming to this platform known as Taxbox. You follow up their employment procedure, and you make money. So this app is available only on Google Play Store. Try it out. The first one is known as Paidworker, the second one is known as Trackbox, the third one is known as Taxbox.com. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they can come and get updates, and so that I can continue growing. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.